Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 564. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that we use to invest $1 in Bitcoin per day. If you don't know how to use this app, just check out the other videos on my channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments for you to learn how. There's also a link in the description where you can sign up and get $5 for free. Let's go ahead and hop to the investment tab and then the Bitcoin section. I'm not sure what day I'll upload this video, but it's going to be late because I'm currently banned by YouTube for a week. I got a strike on my channel that says that I uploaded harmful or dangerous content. Now this was just a how-to video, so I don't know what their deal is. You know, they hand select stuff on the trending page, like rap music videos and things like that, that actually promote violence, weapons, and killing other humans. And then they drop a strike on my video, which is just a how-to video. So I'm not sure how that works. Clearly there's some favoritism on this platform, but it is what it is. I'm just gonna be out here making my videos, doing my thing, getting screwed, and just gonna keep going. We got Bitcoin currently at $11,707. It did hit about 12,400 over the last week. So we're about dead even on the week, up 25% on the month, up 14% on the year. My Bitcoin owned is 0.0734. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap the three dots, type in $7 for the week, tap next, scan my fingerprint. And just like that, I've added $7 of Bitcoin. Tap confirm. There was a 3% fee on that purchase, just like always, but it is what it is. We're just gonna keep going. So I now own 0.074 Bitcoin. So we've added a little bit there. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $866.38. 866.38 divided by 564 days equals a 1.53x on my investment. So what that means is for about every dollar I've put into this experiment, I now have $1.53. So doing really good on this experiment. I'm gonna keep going probably forever. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Also check out my other channel. I'll link that down in the description as well. I'm gonna start posting over there more regularly. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.